Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, what we've been able to do is put in this beautiful decorative gravel along with an erosion control thought process that allow for us to be able to then get in this beautiful Zeon Georgia sod. That's right, some of the best grass your money can buy. And it's been able to give this customer an absolute total landscape makeover. Now, we didn't stop there. We also was able to provide this customer with the solution on the side of their home that dealt with the water coming from the neighbor. I brought in this beautiful decorative gravel, and then I also acquiesced it with our river rock. And then I also did the exact same thing on this side of the landscape just to give that customer their landscape features. Let me take you to the backyard. Back at it again. In the backyard, what we did is we provided this customer with another beautiful Zeon Georgia sod installation that allowed them to be able to take this area that was once just dilapidated and now have this beautiful barefoot grass be able to encompass their landscape. We also went around the entire landscape with our decorative gravel, just gave this customer an additional 12 by 12 sitting area that they can accommodate with friends and family. In addition, we also put these beautiful lower pedalums in that gave this customer an opportunity to be able to take in the water that would have been falling to the path of least resistance. Although this isn't an area that's going to be used often, it definitely says it was necessary that we provide this customer with a solution that was going to last a lifetime. Now, this was all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality and we give our customers more quality than they could have ever imagined. And that's what we did on this landscape. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to smash that like button. I want you to make sure that you subscribe. If you're a homeowner and you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, I want you to make sure you click that link below for your free quote, and we'll be able to give you the same amazing landscape design that we was able to give this homeowner. And it definitely says this is what we do on a consistent basis, is we solve landscape problems and we give solutions that are absolutely guaranteed to last a lifetime. And when you start talking about using decorative gravel, you start talking about using a type of sod that continues to repair itself, that's when you begin to start getting into an outdoor landscape drainage solution that's going to last. And that's exactly what we did with this landscape, and it's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. So make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit that request quote button, and make sure that you subscribe for your amazing way in which you can see how we can make your dirt look good.